Welcome back to Technoguia's video. If sometimes the audios you have on WhatsApp do not play, you cannot hear them, it happens because you have a second window. For example, you have the window on Instagram and you go to the WhatsApp, for example. Okay, why are you consuming content in another application? The sound is activated and you suddenly interrupt by WhatsApp call and audio. This is going to be cut and it is going to be played and the audio is very low. So I recommend that you listen to the audio and what happens to you want to close the other window and you go only WhatsApp. And that's all guys, thanks for watching this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.